here we have our special alumni. Yes, let's know who they are and what they have achieved. Yes, so first we have our alumni parent, Tripti Kulkarni ma'am.
So let's hear it with Tripti ma'am there.
We're very glad and to welcome our first parent of Little Millennium, Radhaji Nagar branch of 2008 batch, Mrs. Tripti Kulkarni. The child name is Dhrutvi. She's the parent of Dhrutvi. Now let's know what are her achievements, what all she's achieved, and the reason of her being on this platform. Ma'am, you have been really inspiring, ma'am. You have complete change in the society. Let me give a brief introduction of you. You are a Bangalore-based creative person. She described herself as a jack of all trades. She is a lawyer by training, an HR professional by choice, and an aspiring filmmaker by passion. She has 3 awards winning short films to her credit as a writer and director for Hejegalu, Dead End, and How Are You. She has won the award for the Best Woman Director, Best Screenplay, Special Mention, Best Short Film, just to name a few. She has a big list on her side. So, big round of applause to Tripti ma'am.
Tripti ma'am. Yes, parents, I think we really appreciate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 minutes. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು 7:30 ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ನು ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಟೈಮು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 minutes, okay? ಸೊ Tripti ma'am, we are really happy that you have joined us here. So Reenu ma'am ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, so first was HR, lawyer, and then to film. So how was the journey shifting from HR, lawyer, and then moving on to short films?
Actually, it's been an amazing journey, and I've been someone, like you mentioned in the introduction, I am pretty much a jack of all trades. So,
Come on!
what keeps me going is that shift. Monotony, boredom kind of tires me out. So I'm constantly looking at what I can do next, and I always set out to do something, and I get there eventually, maybe not immediately. So that's been my journey.
That's wonderful. That's
Thank
wonderful. And one message for our audience. Quick message for our audience.
Sure. In the beginning of the program, ma'am were mentioning about women empowerment. I'd like to say that I read this somewhere and it's stuck along with me in my mind. When we talk about empowerment, I think we're already assuming that women are at a position of disadvantage. So the very fact that we're talking about women empowerment means that women are already, the marginalized sector here. So I believe that we can do anything we want. We are enough, and I think I read somewhere.
We loved it, ma'am. We are enough. We loved it. That
Yes,
I think that was a wonderful statement.
I think that sums up everything.
Killing statement.
Yes, absolutely. Just one thing I want to say is I read somewhere recently that every time a woman stands up for herself, she stands up for every woman in the world. And I
Wonderful,
think really
wonderful. That's really nice, ma'am. We have one more question from Lakshmi, ma'am, here.
Sure.
Okay, next. Okay, that is like wild card. Wild card, ma'am. Okay. So ma'am will come later. Okay, let's see. Next. Thank you so much. Moving on. Reenu, please let us know. Moving on.
Thank you
Next.
so much, ma'am. That was really inspiring. Yes, women makes a difference in the society. I agree with you, ma'am. Now moving on to we have another parent. We have Fatima ma'am here. Hello, Fatima ma'am. Thank you for being here with us. Fatima ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So this is Fatima ma'am with us. She's an woman head constable at Women's Police Station. A round of applause for taking up this decision, being in a police station, Shivaji Nagar, East Division, Bangalore. Very proud of this to become the first parent who has served in the police station. She's the mother of our student Zuha, who has enrolled in the year 2018. We are very happy to say that the child is still continuing with us and she has an extended care facility given to her.
That's really nice introduction about Fatima ma'am. So ma'am, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹೋಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆನೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಗುರ್ತಿಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ma'am, please, round of
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ
applause for
ತುಂಬ
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ma'am.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು,
ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಮನೆ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ
So,
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಗೆ
ಅದು
ma'am?
ಎರಡು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮಿಲಿನಿಯಂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇ ಕೇರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಸ್ಥಾನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ
So,
ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ
yes.
ನಮ್ಮ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ 1 year ಬೇಬಿಯಿಂದ ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 8 year ಬೇಬಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಡೇ ಕೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ.
So nice, ma'am. That's really wonderful to know, ma'am. That's really nice. Very touching. Absolutely. So please let's patch Lakshmi ma'am as well.
ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮಿಲಿನಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಳು ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮಿಲಿನಿಯಂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
That's really nice, ma'am. Yes, absolutely. So family already ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದೇ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ನ ಅಂತ?
ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಡೇ ಕೇರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Okay, so daycare Jindabad. That's really nice. So moving on, thank you so much, ma'am. So next, moving on to our next achiever. Yes.
Thank you, Fatima. Now moving on to the next parent, who is Anuradha Uday Shankar ma'am.
So let's hear it. Let's hear it, please. I think, please, audience. I think we have good number. Let's applaud. Let's applaud.
I think you should hear this, what she's done for her life. Yes, ma'am, we really are proud of you to tell that she is the founder of Goping Caps. Has anybody heard of Goping Caps, which is run by women and for women? Yes, this cab service exclusively for men by women. It was launched in the international airport for the very first time in India in 2019. And it has served 2 lakh people round the clock. So anytime, at any point of time, you want to go anywhere, you can definitely contact our Goping Cabs. Yes, they've also trained 150 underprivileged women in driving, and they have this Unnati scheme, CASR of Maruti Driving School. Definitely, ma'am, you have really made us proud with this initiative. Now, Zee Kannada Achievers Award, she's been achieving with Bangalore Women's Achievers Award, Vajpayee Volleyball Cup Women's Awardee, and she's an Enterprising Women's Achievers Awardee too. So, congratulations, ma'am. Shruti, let's hear it from you.
Let's strike now with the questions. Okay, ma'am, really, we feel so happy, exclusively for women. What made you, ma'am? Yes, please, let us know.
Thanks for the opportunity. Really, actually in 2002, what we saw in Bangalore is a Pratibha Srikantamurthy case, and 2012 Nirbhaya case really made me something to cause this Goping Premium Cabs, first time in Bangalore. We started this organization in 2015. We were thinking that whom to give this service, because already all the schools will be having a vans and everything facilities. So we started with the autism kids, where we can provide 100% for the autism kids cab service, pick up and drop for the schools. Then again pregnant women, corporate individually women. But I was not satisfied with whatever that we had given. So we thought, where is our destination? So when I was thinking, I thought it's an international airport. In 2018, when I speaking to the international airport people, really first time I went there, they laughed on me, asking that really it's not going to happen. But I did not give up anyway. I just went to till central government. I took a permission and I fought for like 6 months. And we bought this first time in India, 2019 January 7th. With the team of 25 people, we are serving for the women around the clock. And we have served almost 2 lakh women in the night time. And now we are thinking we have started the opportunity for the transgenders who are really looking forward, and we are supporting them, and they are actually having a very good feedback. I request all the women to use this service, and if any woman is passionate about driving, so we are giving an opportunity in our cabs. all are well educated. We have a music director, we have a lawyers, and I also drive as a BCom MBA. So lot many people are well educated team. We are working for the women in the night time and daytime. So, and we this year we have planned for almost another 100 cabs to come in international airport and next metropolitan cities. That's what we have planned. Thank you.
ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್, ಲೇಡಿ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
Yeah. Like as a passenger or driver?
ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ.
Okay, like one of the passenger, like ಅವರು international customer ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ like she lost her luggage completely. So we were almost reaching her place. ಸೊ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗೇಜ್ ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗೇಜ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೊ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತಿನ್ 45 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಭಾರತ ಒಂದು ವಸುದೈವ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Amazing. That's a proud Indian moment. Absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So moving on to the next achiever. Renu, can you have
Thank you, ma'am.
light
Yes.
on the next achiever, please?
Definitely, yes, Shruti. We'll move on to the next achiever. We have Sunita Sharma ma'am with us here. Sunita ma'am, hello ma'am, good evening.
Come on, I think let's applaud. Yes, Sunita ma'am.
Yes, so let's hear about Sunita ma'am. She is by profession, she's a lawyer, also mother of a girl child, Shashwati, and she's very happy to say that Shashwati was a student of LM Radhajinagar branch. She's been practicing as an advocate since 2004 for the last 20 years. That's a very big time and wonderful. Now she has served SVC Bank Limited for 8 years, opened her own office in 2019 in Subramaniam Nagar. She's a panel advocate in Sri M. Vishweshwarya Cooperative Bank Limited, Sri Saraswati Credit Soundarya Sahakari Limited, Ashoka Nagar Cooperative Bank Limited, Karnataka Bank Limited, and Manipal Housing Finance Syndicate Limited. So big round of applause to Sunita Sharma ma'am. We welcome you ma'am.
So ma'am, about your profession. So we would like to ask you, how do you balance your profession and the family life?
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಯವರ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆಯವರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ.
See, men also, let's please applaud the men who are supporting the women. Women could achieve only because men are with us. Yes?
ಈಗ ನನ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇವರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಹುಚ್ಚು. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆಯವರ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ who are there to support everyone.
That's so
So
nice.
thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Yes ma'am. So ನಮ್ಮ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಊರ್ಜಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಲೇಡೀಸೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅಚೀವರ್ಸ್.
ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನು ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳಿಂದಿರುವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಾನು ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ
ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮರಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಿಮ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸೋತೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಅವರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ನಮ್ ಬಂಡವಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 9 months ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಂ ಡೇ ಕೇರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವಳು ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದೇ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಅವಳ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮಿಲೇನಿಯಂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇದು ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಯನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೀತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೀತಾ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳ ಫೇವರೆಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದೀಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅರುಣಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅವರು ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇದು ನಾನು ಏನು ಹಾರಿಕೆ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. Thanks for this opportunity. Thanks one again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Sunita
Thank you.
ma'am. to
Thank you
hear.
so much.
Yes, I really agree with your words. She's a beautiful lady who really supports each one of them and takes care like the family only. Each child, she can tell she's got so many children. We just have one or two. She has so many to take
Yes.
care, and she's giving the
Absolutely.
same love and care to each one of them. So that's beautiful, Lakshmi ma'am, for us. Yes. Now moving on to the next parent over here. We have a very inspiring alumni parent of LM Bashresh Nagar, Sangeeta ma'am. She's here with us. So let's know more about her. She's a very proud parent. Proud as in, yes, we have been speaking of so many achievements. She's proud parent because she set up a platform for a child. Yes, she's been working in the bank sector in Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited. She has a credit officer, 10 years of work experience there. Additionally, she has been handling cancer trust from our company, having provided 1,000 plus enrolled cancer patients, providing free medicines pan India till 2014. We're very proud of your work, mom, for doing so much of service to the society. And her daughter sitting with us is Shrishti. Yes. So it's a beautiful daughter. She's a child artist. She's been giving her this platform, struggling so that she's been recognized in her field. That's because
really
of the
wonderful.
mother's effort.
Only the mother can do this.
Congratulations,
Only the
ma'am.
mother can do it. Ma'am, just a small question for you. How do you feel helping cancer patients, ma'am?
Actually, I felt very happy because patients suffering, they will come to us with very low budget, means they don't have a money. I have helped entire India patients, giving them free medicine from our company.
Wonderful.
So 1,010 plus cancer patient, we have provided free medicines.
That's
So-
really wonderful, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Because I think the women, lot of women, like prone to get the cancers. Like we keep hearing all those things.
Handling my own work, I was balancing this work also. I have been awarded for that.
Yes, very nice, ma'am. That's really a great initiative. And women, like generally we are more prone to get this breast cancer, cervical cancer. We keep
Yes,
hearing.
ma'am.
So any message for all the women sitting here?
Please take care of your health. It's very important.
That's true. Women, I think we need to go for health checkup.
Avoid junk foods. Mainly, I want to tell for kids, please avoid that. And today I want to tell, I have been recognized from my daughter because myself I have achieved only this much. Because of my daughter, I have recognized in this Little Millennium School. I'm very proud to tell. And she has been studied 4 years and she has danced in this same stage since for 4 years. So I'm very happy, and thanks to all Little Millennium team, especially Lakshmi ma'am, Sonal ma'am. I think she is not there. Sujata ma'am, Pujita ma'am, and Aruna ma'am, and etc. etc. I'm very much happy. So why I have been recognized, and want to tell about. See, my daughter, she's a child artist. She's 9 years old, and being a single parent, I have suffered a lot to take her to this stage. I'll take just 2 minutes to say her achievements. Please have patience. Can I?
Definitely, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Her name is Dr. Srishti SH. She has been done doctorate, international and national doctorate from US. She is 9 years old. Her fashion journey started in the age of 9 months. Her first achievement was Best Baby Award in 2014. She is studying in Kendra Vidyalaya School, and Little Millennium L for Lucky School for her. At the age of 4, she entered into modeling industries Her first stage show was Rio Kids Fashion Week and she was awarded as a Best Runway Award 2019. Her awards: World Book of Talent Record 2020, Incredible Book of Record 2020, Indian Book of Record 2020, Indian Book of Excellence Record 2020, Karnataka Book of Record, Bravo International Book of Record, Asia Continental 2020, Credence Book of Record, Global Kid Achiever Book of Record, nominated for Guinness Book of Record and Limca Book of Record, been a model. She has done 200 plus online and offline show, Bangalore Achiever Award, IWD Kids Achiever Award, oh my god, Karnada Simha Siri Award, Srimati Sadhana Memorial Achievement Award, Incredible Book of Record, Karnataka Shining Star Award, Proud Indian Award, done TV commercial ad shoot for Aingar Puliyogre Masala, YS International Inspiring Model of the Year, Karnataka Advita Kalavidera Prashasti in 21, Kala Sangama Kids Talent Award, Diva International Award from Goa, Indian Top Model Award, Namma Hemmeya Kannadiga, Rashtriya Ratna Award, Allied Brand Ambassador Kid Talent Award, Veluziva Eva International Kids Achiever Award, Kannada Rajyotsava Prashasti Award, Indian Children's Talent Award, Star Sadhana Kala Award, SS Kala Sangama Fashion Award, Super Kid Channel Super Kid Dancer Award winner, South Asia Book of Record, Super Kids Channel Best Mom and Daughter winner, Asia Vedic Culture Research University Doctorate, Star Sadhana, Anish Creation Top Model, going to NGO School Award, Karnataka Pratibha Ratna Award. I think people should not get bored.
Please
So
go
many
on,
awards.
man. Please go on. It's
And,
amazing to hear that.
Plus she helping every month for she is helping every month for cancer patient, donating, entertaining with culture activity in Sarvodaya Foundation Trust, dedicating for poor and needies. Okay, she has done 13 plus movie, Kannada movie, one Tamil movie. I want to name that Nodada Puttagalu Kannada movie, Nachi, Charge Sheet, Martin movie with Dhruva Sarja, Vamana movie, Usire Usire Kannada movie, plus Email Tamil and Kannada movie, Chowdi Kannada short movie. She has done serial in Ramachari promo, Mangala Gauri, Doresani, Kavyanjali, Namma Mane Yuvrani, Chandana TV Going to School NGO, Kamali serial, Olavina Nildana, Kanyadana serial. She has been recognized in the articles Vijay Karnataka, Vijay Vani, Sanjay Vani, Sanjay Times, Times of India, Karnataka Prabha. And she has been awarded with 20 gold medal, 100 trophies, 13 sash and 15 crowns, 450 certificates and 200 mementos till now.
Amazing journey this was.
She is a brand model of many ad agency like brand ambassador for Snapdeal, Shopclose, Flipkart, Amazon, Pantaloon, Myntra, Nykaa and Max. This was her achievement. Because of her I am recognized. That's all. Because
Big round
my
of
personal achievement is nothing. But I made her to achieve because it was my mother's dream. She is no more. Last 4 years back I have lost her. Her dream was to make her celebrity. And my father is also present. He is a JCO, retired JCO of Army. I'm really ready. I'm very proud of being his daughter, and I'm proud of being her mother, and she's proud of what do we say? So and so. Many achievements are there. Many coming up achievements are there. I want everyone to bless her. Being a single parent, I'm making her to achieve to the peak level. So Little Millennium, L for Lucky. I want to tell I'm very thankful to the Little Millennium team. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Bangalore, Jai Little Millennium School.
ಅಲ್ಲ ದೀಪಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಚೀವರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಕೂರಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು.
No, ಖಂಡಿತ.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ she is a multi talent lady. She deserves the recognition.
Come on teachers, please join us.
See, I want to acknowledge Little Millennium. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಗ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಲಿನಿಯಂ ಡೇ ಕೇರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಅವನಿಗೆ 12 ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ವಿಭೂ ಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಗುನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ 8 ತಿಂಗಳ ತನಕ ನನ್ನ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ತೊಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ. 8ನೇ ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಲಿನಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ನು ಟಿಲ್ UKG ಮುಗಿಯೋ ತನಕ ವೇದಾರ್ಥ ಶಂಕರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಸೊ ಅವನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೇ ಕೇರು UKG ತನಕ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಜರ್ನಿಗೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಲಿನಿಯಂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರಣ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ದಿನ ನೈಟ್ ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ 12 o'clock ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅವ್ರು 7 o'clock ತನಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಕ್ನಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಆಲ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್.
Definitely, ma'am. But before we just go on congratulating the team behind it, we have one more achiever here who is the alumni here, one more parent. She's the parent of Adya M. Patel from Bashwesh Nagar Center. We have the list of awards and achievements for Dr. Lakshmi too. She has received a gold medal in securing highest marks in the final year in Karnataka state. She has secured first rank in Karnataka state for securing highest marks in post-graduation too. She has conducted a lot of health camps. So congratulations, ma'am, and we welcome you on day and stage. So Shruti, over to you.
Congratulations, ma'am. That's really nice. So we just want to, get to know that what inspired you to become a doctor?
So, good evening to one and all. So, first of all, I want to thank to the Little Millennium team, especially Lakshmi ma'am. Very special to Aruna ma'am to giving this opportunity for us to speak. So, my inspiration to become doctor was from my childhood itself, because there was an inspiration that we have to serve a country. So, one of the field which is equal to divinity, next to teachers, I think it is doctors. So I always appreciate teaching profession, because I am working presently as assistant professor in medical college as well as doctor, because teaching is the only profession which creates all the profession. So that is the most highest profession. So I'm thanking all the teachers who are standing on the dais, and I'm very lucky because I'm in both the profession, teaching as well as doctor. Thank you. Special thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And before, I think all ladies, we want here one question for Lakshmi ma'am as well. So you want to hear it? Yes, ma'am.
Please. You have been organizing lots of panels.
Yes.
One for you
so
now.
one for you. See, look at your family, ma'am. Look at it, so big. So where is that urja comes from?
That Uja comes from my family and from my team. This is not my team, this is my extended family. I always believe that I'm nothing without them. I'm nothing without my family. So I always feel that, okay, I would just like to raise myself from here. So today, I feel so blessed to have such wonderful team over here. I'm being blessed with a beautiful family. Okay, let me just give a glimpse about my past journey. Very few parents are here, but still I'm so happy that like my entire team is here, and I've never got an opportunity to express all these things, especially to my team. Okay, so firstly, I have been born and brought up in a very, very small family from a very poor family, basically from Hospit, Ballari district. Okay, but my parents have given a very good education, and we shifted to Bangalore in the year 2002. My mom is basically from Bangalore, and we shifted in 2002 and we finished our graduation, and I got married. I could say that it was a child marriage. So I was being married when I was in 19. Okay, so I was being blessed with, I was privileged to get married to an esteemed family and a wonderful husband sitting over there, Mr. Naveen Raju. I think he deserves a big round of clap.
Definitely he does.
Okay, so we after my marriage, like for that 6 months of time, I was in a beautiful honeymoon phase, you know, with all the privileges around me and all of those things. So after 6 months, I started feeling like, okay, I've been recognized from a wife of Naveen Raju, a daughter of Kaviraj, or daughter-in-law of somebody else. So who am I? Ultimately, who am I? What is my identity? All these questions started in me. And I think that was the turning point of my life. And I decided, like, okay, I was always aspirant to be a doctor, in fact. So unfortunately, I turned out to be into an education field, and I'm very happy for that, the decision what I took. So this was by my passion. I selected this through my passion and through the choice itself. And we started our first center. We launched our first center in the year 2008. From the year 2008, and I would definitely like to take Deepa's name, because she was the first person who joined me 15 years ago, and still she is with us, like with the same energy and with same love. Yeah, you deserve that, Deepa. So that's how just we both of us began the journey at Little Millennium in the year 2008 by doing every little things, be it with I've also worked as a teacher and raising a receipt, every little things we have done it together. And from 2008 till 2020 March, we multiplied with the number of centers, and we increased the chain of schools from 1 to 5. So in this journey, in this process, I was a mother, I was a daughter-in-law, and I was a daughter, playing all the different roles. I could really understand the kind of pain, the kind of challenges what you all were going through in the face of your journey. Because especially for a mother or a daughter or a daughter-in-law, it's really takes lot of courage to pick ourselves and break all the barriers, and to be here on this stage and hear all these things. It really gives so much of immense pleasure, and definitely I would not like to take even a 1% of that credit. Whatever you say, Lakshmi ma'am or a Little Millennium, it's there. I'm nothing. So
Let's
all
hear for the team,
credit-
please.
Yeah.
Once again, let's hear for the big round of applause for the team. Please. It's for this team of Lakshmi ma'am. So it's like they say now, it's like how is the teacher, so is the students. How is the mentor, so are the teachers.
Yeah.
So both mean that.
She is a Uja, and
That passes on.
Yes.
Super. That's so good to hear.
So the journey didn't stop there. In the year 2020, COVID came up. COVID. How was it for all of us?
Oof, don't
Very
ask about
challenging,
it,
right?
ma'am, what it was.
Correct. So 2020, from 0 to, we raised to 5 centers, and again we went back to 0. We had to shut down all the centers except one center, which was in Rajajinagar. So then I felt like I was literally in a depression for a period of 3 to 4 months. I was not able to sleep because the kind of time, investment, love, energy, and the biggest thing is we had to lose our team, which was very painful for us. And during that time, so teachers like Haruna, Deepa, Vandana, Asha, and 2 more teachers are missing over here. So they stood so strong beside us, and they helped us conduct online classes. And 2022, during this time, I thought that, okay, everything is gone back to the grassroots level. Now what next? See, this challenge, I think everyone would have been faced in their life, especially in their career journey, that you go back to that, the bottom level, and you don't know what to do, how to pick yourself. So that is when I felt like, okay, so now this is my situation. If I'm not able to help myself, what next I can do it. Anta yochne madak shuru ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I felt like even my father was also in a problem during COVID times. I said, okay, if I could solve others' problem, automatically my problem also will be sorted. And I started getting into a mining industry with a zero knowledge. completely zero knowledge. I didn't knew anything about mining. So, but I think that was again a turning point for my next journey, which is actually a very big journey for me as of now. So, 2 mines were completely shut, not operating. I got into it and made sure that it is going to be operating.
Lovely,
So now
lovely,
both of our-
amazing, superb.
both of those mines are like, doing well. So that's how I started exploring the second stream of business. Okay, so likewise, the reason why I gave this example is ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ದೇವ್ರು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇಟ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಕರೇಜ್. ಏನದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿನ ನೆವರ್ ಎವರ್ put down. So we all are blessed with those energies. So especially the theme of the today is Urja. So Urja is the inner energy. All that we need to do is identify what is our inner energy and nurture them and raise yourself to be a better version. ಸೊ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ನನಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನಿನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎದ್ದು ಸಾಧಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮವ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆದ
I can see everybody applauding here.
ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬರಲಿ, ನೆವರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. That's what I would tell. Even every teachers, I know that how much of difficulties they go through every day. Thank you, Naveen. Thank you, Naveen. So every day, how much of difficulties they go through to be there at sharp 9:30 at school. I totally understand. And for that, it's a big bow for all of you.
That's so
Thank you
sweet
so
to
much.
tell that, ma'am.
Thank
Really.
you so much for being a beautiful team of us. And you all are our Urja. So it's not, we are not only working, we are giving a life, we are touching the life, and we are in fact helping so many other women also to achieve in their life in this way. Okay, so keep doing the great job. You all are amazing, and thank you so much for listening to the speech so patiently. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really good to hear the story that everybody needs to strive back, come back, but show it. There's no end to anything. Yes, so beautiful. We are so motivated today. Yes, I'm sure everybody is really touched and moved by it. Wonderful, ma'am. Proud of you, proud of every woman present here, and proud of you all teachers there. Amazing. A round of applause.
I request Naveen to join us on the stage, please.
It was a wonderful event, and I really totally enjoyed every moment of it. Very happy to see that we are achieving something out of this moment. Yeah. we really see some lot of achievements out of this event this year, and hope everything works the same way you guys are planning to, and I'll surely be a part of it by default. So I thank you for all of you for staying so long and making this event a grand success. Thank you.
Superb, sir. Thank you, and bestest
Thank you
wishes
very much.
for more to come up. So we have to just facilitate these parents who have come up over here, sharing their nice, beautiful, motivating words to us. So let's quickly move on to all of them. Here we have with us Sunita ma'am. We have with us Anuradha Uday Shankar ma'am.
So we want Sunita ma'am to please stand. Yes. Okay.
Anuradha Uday Shankar ma'am.
Anuradha Uday Shankar. So next, yes, moving on to
Fatima ma'am.
Moving on to Fatima ma'am. Next, we would request to give a token of love for Tripti ma'am.
Tripti Kulkarni, please.
Yes, Tripti Kulkarni ma'am. Next, Sangeeta ma'am. Dr. Varabalakshmi ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thanks,
Thanks a
Lakshmi
lot.
ma'am.
It
Thank
was
you,
really
Naveen, sir.
a very
Thank you,
inspiring, very inspiring. I think a lot of takeaway will be there for us today. Absolutely. You all have inspired us a lot. Thank you so much.
So my association with Little Millennium has been for almost 13 years now, and my daughter was the first daycare student for them, and my son was the first baby they took in. He was 5 months old. So like everybody was telling, a big support system really matters, and the fact that I could achieve Little Millennium has a big part to play in it, because I could go to work and be at peace knowing that my children were taken care of very well. Thank you so much. for
Definitely, that makes a
Really
difference,
grateful.
ma'am. We understand. Thank you so much.
Jai Little Millennium.
Jai
Little Millennium. Wonderful.
Three
Wonderful.
cheers to Little Millennium. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
And making this Urja a big success, we would like to appreciate all the people over here. It gives me a great pleasure in thanking all the dignitaries who are present here with us, special invitees for joining us for the celebration. So all the presence of all of them made a difference to us. We would also like to request our choreographers, Mr. Manjunath
Without
sir,
Manjunath sir, I think this
and his
event-
wife, Mrs. Anusha Manjunath. Can
Yes,
we
sir,
have him
please.
here, please? Manjunath sir.
Manju sir and Anusha ma'am on the stage, please.
And the entire member of the team, please. Amazing. Thank you so much.
And even all these, a lot of energy. We have to really appreciate each and everyone
Seriously.
who have a power pack, like all the one who will be doing the power pack performance behind the
And
stage.
it's not only that,
Let's
moving the
teachers,
props.
see we don't have audience, please teachers, make some noise for them, please. Make some
And we
noise.
should even appreciate moving the properties with the smile and energy is the secret.
But still,
No clipping anywhere. They kept smiling all through the journey at the back.
But
Smiling and shaking the
even-
properties.
even now the energy is on.
Amazing team.
Even
so can
now-
we shake a leg here?
look at their energy, still
One
it's
step,
on.
sir, please. Teach us one
One
step.
signature step, one signature step. We all will join. in
Manju
with them.
Masters,
One
signature step, please.
ಒಂದು ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಒಂದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದಾಗ್ಲಿ
ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು
ಸರ್
ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್ Superb. This is power of Manju Master team. Power of
that
Manju Master
Urja.
team. Wonderful, wonderful.
Perfectly called as Urja. We can see it on stage.
Absolutely.
Amazing this was.
Congratulations, you all did a fantastic. Okay, quickly we want to thank Mr. Paul for shooting this event. We would like to thank Secretary of Chowdhury Memorial Hall for providing ambient and elegant space. We would like to thank LED Sridhar sir, lighting Ravi sir who helped us for the event. And we would like to thank Mr. Kiran sir for designing the beautiful, creative and managing the screen. And we would like to thank Ms. Shalini and team for adding more colors to the event. So let's thank the Little Millennium parents and the staff and entire teachers. We would like to thank, without your cooperation, without the teamwork, I think today's event would have not been possible. Come on, let's applaud all the teachers there. You all did it. Wonderful. It's amazing energy. Little Millennium always rocks. Yes? Do you all agree with that? Come on, let's say once, Little Millennium. Hip hip! Hip hip!
जो दिल
Bharti
से
ma'am, please, Bunny.
लगे,
Please, ma'am.
उसे कह दो हाय
please.
हाय हाय
Wait a
हाय, जो दिल ना लगे, उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय, आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराए को हाय 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 हाय, जाने दो दिल से चले जाने